Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy text from images, and I'm going to show you 4 different ways to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. So number 1, and one of the best ways, is to use Microsoft powertoys. You can get it in Microsoft Store or just click on the iCard now. In Microsoft powertoys there is a tool called text extractor. You can see the shortcut here. So first of all, open up your image and then enable the text extractor by pressing Windows Shift and T, and then highlight the text area and it will be copied to the clipboard. And then just open any text editor like Microsoft Word or Notepad and paste it there. Number 2 is to use online text extractor. One of my favorite website is ImageToText.info. This is completely free. Just upload the image here and the AI will extract the text from there. And here you can see the result. Just copy it to clipboard and use it in other application. Number 3 is to use Microsoft OneNote if you have it. Just insert your image here and right click on the image and then copy text from picture, and then it will be copied in the clipboard. However, it won't always give you the right text, so I don't use it that much. And finally, number 4 is to use ShareX. If you are hearing about ShareX for the first time, then let me tell you, ShareX is one of the most powerful screenshot and screen capture program. To download it, just go to getsharex.com and download it from here. So first of all, open up an image again. And then in ShareX, go to Tools. And from here, click on OCR. Just highlight the text area. And here you can see the result. Just copy it and use it in another application. In my opinion, powertoys and ShareX are best for extracting text from images. And guys, please comment down below what have you experienced using the methods I have shown you. So that's for today's video guys. Thanks for watching till the end. And if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, please feel free to comment down below. I'll try my best to create a video on that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get some videos like this. My name is Simon and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, signing off.